Hey, Leshy FPV here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm in a new Bando place. Well, it's new to me. Looks pretty cool. Lots of places to loop around. I'm testing a new design. I'm making a Crashproof Meteor 75, and this is the canopy I have for it. I designed it using Onshape. And it's made out of TPU. I got it at a fixed 20-degree angle. It's a little bit heavier than the stock canopy. It's about maybe 3.8 grams. I want to make it lighter, so this is only a prototype. I'm going to be making a new design, one that's hopefully lighter and better than this one. But you can see I have it connecting to not the circuit board. It's connected to the frame itself. So you can theoretically hit this as hard as you can, and it's not going to damage the flight controller board at all. I got it designed so I got this upgraded antenna, and it fits nicely in there. One of the reasons I made this is because I upgraded the antenna and there was no good way to hold the new antenna. So we'll see how that goes. And we'll see how it goes. This is only a prototype, but when it's finalized, I'll be releasing a 20-degree version, a 25-degree version, and a 30-degree version. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Also, I am recording on the SkyZone M5 monitor. Got one stock antenna, and I'm using the antenna from the iFlight Nazgul here for a little better signal. Because the DVR in these Fat Sharks suck.
All this time I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get
a good run. I figured some stuff out with this prototype canopy. The camera kind of gets pushed back, the antenna gets pushed back, and I might need more cooling also because it's saying it's overheating when I'm pushing it kind of hard. So I'm going to have to do some redesigns. The motors seem kind of anemic. Maybe that's just because I've been flying 5-inch and the Air 65 version 2, recently, which seems a little snappier. I think I'm going to fly the Air 65 2 right now, or version 2.